Welcome to my channel. I am Shekhar Kanagaluru. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and sharing your feedback. People are waiting to see the world's best manager, and that manager is within you. Bring him out of you and introduce him to this world. As a first time manager, to bring out the best manager within you, understand the 8 essential tips given in this video and follow the same. Moving from the position of individual contributor to the role of the manager is a great honor and achievement. This key shift in a career is not an easy task. The title of the manager comes with a higher responsibility and accountability. It is not easy to say that all great individual contributors will succeed as a great leaders. The world's great chess player cannot become a great cricketer. The skills contributed to the role of an individual contributor may or may not support in the role of a leader. The majority of the organization promote individual contributors to the position of manager without any preparation and training. Due to lack of preparation, the higher level of expectations by superiors, mismatch of skills, predetermined mindset and lack of time, the first time managers fail to succeed. By unsuccessful first time managers, we will be losing one good individual contributor as well as one manager. Hence, the success of the first time managers is highly essential. A great start makes all the difference. The first time managers with the necessary skills, competencies, and tools will create a strong platform for the future to excel as effective leaders. Once upon a time, today's all successful leaders were first time managers. They have been successful as they started systematic and great. I know that as a first time manager, you want to be successful and have a strong desire to create your own identity. Remember, a great manager is someone who demonstrates what is possible. With this approach to become a great manager, follow these 8 tips. Tip 1. Understand the role and expectations. Tip 2. Self-evaluate. Tip 3. Unlearn and relearn. Tip 4. Learn to accept. Tip 5. Showcase confidence. Tip 6. Create a strong self-branding. Tip 7. Learn to set smart goals, review and give feedback. Tip 8. Learn to say no. Let's understand in detail about these tips. Tip 1. Understand the role and expectations. Stepping into the role of a manager will be exciting and inspiring for the first time managers. Seeing the title of the manager in the business card for the first time will be a great feeling and cannot be expressed in words. The first time managers to succeed in their role, the first and foremost thing they must do is thorough understanding of the role and management expectations from them. By doing this, the first time managers will get the clarity of the difference between previous and present role. The work should be handled by them and team members and focus on strategic functions. The clarity places them in the right path to deliver the expected results. Those who don't understand their area of work will never be able to give the results as expected. Start your journey with a clear understanding of your role to become a successful manager. Tip 2. Self-evaluate. You like your manager to be flexible, acknowledge and appreciate our efforts, supportive and encouraging. As you expect, it is normal that your team members also will be expecting similar qualities from their manager. Hence, self-evaluate yourself and see that you are qualifying in these qualities or not. The team should not accept you as manager because of your position. Position-based recognition does not bring togetherness and bonding in the team. Positional leadership often makes you as alone. Your personality, your qualities and your value addition in the career of your team must attract your team towards you. They must feel you as a mentor, their coach and role model. Once you earn the trust of your team members, note that you have done 50% of your efforts in the process of becoming a successful manager. So, perform self evaluation and start the journey of leadership. Tip 3: Unlearn and relearn. Yes, you have been successful so far as individual contributor. Your output, quality of work, and skill set transported you for this position. But don't be overconfident that all those things will continue the same support at the role of a manager to excel. As a manager, you need to get things done by others as you expect, and this job is not as easy as you think. The perception level, the skill set, way of working, and so on, your team members will be entirely different from your style of work. Hence, you must become a master in aligning yourself with each team member's work style and getting things done by utilizing their strengths. For this, you must unlearn your old habits, approaches, and way of work and relearn the skills to manage the team. Observe, study, understand, unlearn, and start to relearn to become a successful manager. Tip 4: Learn to accept. Before your team accepting you as a leader, you must accept them as a team members. Give them a feeling of togetherness. Don't go with pre-decided mindset or perception about the team. Remember that the success of your team will be a success of you. They will not be going to change as you expected overnight, and there is no rule that they must like you and accept you as their true leader. Hence, you go forward, show them you are with them, you are competent, you stand for them, see things as they are. Don't take things personally. Give time to team to understand, learn, and perform. We will not be able to change anything unless we accept it. Hence, learn to accept to become a successful manager. Tip 5: Showcase confidence. The most attractive things you can have with you is self-confidence and confidence in others. As a team members, we like managers with self-confidence and admire them. When managers are self-confident and expressing their positive confidence on their team, the same will boost the morale of the team. As a manager, you must create wow factor in the team. This wow factor should boost the team confidence to work for you with passion. We know it when we see it. Showcase confidence, not overconfidence, to become a successful manager. Tip 6: Create a self branding. If you really want to make a difference and become a great manager, creating self branding is vital. Self branding is a strategy and process of positioning yourself with integrity and trust when it comes to a particular topic. In this direction, whatever you do must strengthen your branding. Use effectively your verbal and non-verbal communication, values, accountability, commitment, way of work, leadership style, team management, and everything to create self-branding in the company. You like it or not, you will be a brand for good or bad. Hence, create a strong self-branding to become a successful manager. Tip 7: Learn to set SMART goals, review, and give feedback. The team members want clear expectations and communication when it comes to what is expected of them. In this direction, the first time managers must understand the responsibilities of their team members, strength, and areas of improvement, and based upon the same, set SMART goals with a clear success descriptors. Later, set the plan for periodic reviews and share transparent feedback with recognition and appreciation. Apart from this, the manager must watch the opportunities to teach, train, and provide the required support. In this direction, cultivate the following practices in the team. Be consistent in your approach and communications. Establish a process-driven culture. Have an approach of togetherness. Create a safe space for sharing and discussing the failures. Create a strong accountability in the team. Demonstrate a high level of problem solving approach. Be honest and ethical. Stand in the side of the team when they really need it. Last tip, learn to say no. Due to the pleasure of becoming a manager, the people will have a tendency of promising unrealistic things to superiors and team members. With this, they will set over expectations and in the later stage struggle to handle it. As an impact of this, the superiors and team will develop a negative image. Hence, as a first-time managers must learn to say no in view of creating win-win situation. Saying no with the logical reasons may not be comfortable in that situation, but surely safeguard future damages. Evaluate the situation thoroughly and decide to say no. Use these tips for saying no. Say no with a backup of logical reasons. Take time, think, evaluate, and say no. Say no without leaving a feeling of rejection. Say no with a balanced tone and body language. These are my 8 tips for the first time manager to set a strong platform to excel as a great leader. Being managers, we get an opportunity to shape, develop others' careers, and get a chance to introduce the extraordinary persons within our team members to this world. We born as a manager to make a difference in others' life. The role of a manager comes with a great accountability. Great team members create great managers. Remember this and show the power within you to this world. All the best.